Welcome to Tastebud Heaven. Today we're diving into the world of homemade whey protein. Not only is it incredibly affordable, but it's also packed with high-quality protein that your body will love. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast or just looking to add more protein to your diet, this recipe is perfect for you. We'll guide you through each step, ensuring you get the best results. So, grab your ingredients, roll up your sleeves, and let's get started on this delicious and nutritious journey. For this recipe, you'll need milk, lemon juice or vinegar, and a few simple kitchen tools like a strainer and cheesecloth. Begin by pouring 1 liter of fresh milk into a medium-sized pot. Make sure the pot is clean and dry before you start to ensure the best results. Place the pot on the stove and heat the milk over medium heat. Keep a close eye on it, stirring occasionally to prevent it from sticking to the bottom. Heat the milk until it starts to simmer, which means small bubbles will form around the edges. Once the milk is simmering, it's time to add the acid. You can use either 2 tablespoons of lemon juice or vinegar. Slowly pour the acid into the milk while stirring gently. This will help the milk to curdle evenly. As you stir, you'll notice the milk starting to curdle. The curds will separate from the whey, forming clumps. This process usually takes a few minutes, so be patient and continue to stir gently. Next, prepare a strainer lined with cheesecloth. Carefully pour the curdled milk through the strainer to separate the curds from the whey. Make sure the strainer is placed over a bowl to catch the whey. Allow the whey to drain completely into the bowl. This may take a few minutes, so let it sit undisturbed until all the liquid has passed through the cheesecloth. The liquid that has drained into the bowl is your homemade whey protein. It's rich in nutrients and can be used in various recipes or as a protein supplement. For added flavor, you can mix in a bit of honey or some fresh fruit. This will enhance the taste and make your homemade whey protein even more enjoyable. Experiment with different flavors to find your favorite combination. And there you have it, a simple, cost-effective way to make your own whey protein at home. Homemade whey protein that's both cheap and high in protein. It's a fantastic addition to your diet, especially if you're looking to boost your protein intake without breaking the bank. Perfect for your smoothies or post-workout shakes. You can mix it with fruits, vegetables, or even just water for a quick protein boost. The versatility of homemade whey protein makes it an essential part of any fitness enthusiast's kitchen. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more healthy recipes from Tastebud Heaven. We have a plethora of nutritious and delicious recipes coming your way, so stay tuned and keep experimenting in your kitchen. Your journey to a healthier lifestyle starts here.